Over 60? Stop eating these 4 dangerous seafoods and eat these 4 lifesavers instead. Over 60. You probably think seafood is always a healthy choice, but some varieties can quietly harm your heart, stiffen your joints, and even cloud your thinking. In this video, we reveal the 4 seafoods you should never touch after 60. Then flip the script with 4 you should eat every single day to keep your body strong and your mind sharp. Drop your location in the comments. Every message gets read. The 4 worst seafood choices. 1. Squid. Squid looks lean and protein-packed, but a 3-ounce portion contains nearly 200 milligrams of cholesterol. Over 65% of the daily limit on a 2,000-calorie diet. After 60, your liver slows down and struggles to clear extra cholesterol from your bloodstream. Over time, that can raise your risk of blocked arteries and heart disease. Squid is also very high in purines, compounds that convert into uric acid. When uric acid builds up, it can form crystals in your joints, triggering sudden and painful gout attacks, often in the big toe, ankle, or knee. If you've woken up with joint swelling or stabbing pain in the night, it might be time to cut out squid. Quick swap. Try grilled cod or baked tilapia instead. Both are low in cholesterol and easy on aging joints. 2. Imitation crab surimi. Imitation crab looks and smells like the real thing, but it's really processed fish paste mixed with shing starch, sugar, salt, and artificial flavorings. A 2020 clinical nutrition study showed surimi spikes blood sugar as much as white bread, causing energy crashes and stressing your pancreas. If you have pre-diabetes, diabetes, or simply struggle with energy dips, this spike crash cycle can worsen your symptoms. Surimi is also loaded with sodium, often over 700 milliliters per serving, which drives up blood pressure and forces your kidneys to work overtime. Seniors already face declining kidney function, so extra salt can quickly lead to water retention, puffiness, and worsened hypertension. Quick swap. For easy seafood protein, reach for canned tuna or salmon in water. Both have far lower sodium, no hidden starches, and true omega-3 benefits. Scallops. Scallops filter large volumes of seawater, making them vulnerable to heavy metal buildup, especially cadmium, a toxin linked to kidney damage and bone weakness. As we age, our kidneys lose filtering power, so toxins hang around longer and do more damage. A 2022 study in toxicology reports found that just a handful of scallops each week could push cadmium intake near unsafe levels for seniors. Worse yet, scallops are low in omega-3 fatty acids, the heart-protective, brain-supportive fats found in oily fish. While scallops taste buttery and delicate, they offer little of the inflammation-fighting power seniors need. Quick swap. Try wild-caught mackerel or sardines instead. They're rich in omega-3s but low in heavy metals, offering reliable heart and brain protection. 4. Shrimp. Shrimp is often marketed as a low-calorie, low-fat option, but a 3-ounce serving packs roughly 180 milligrams of cholesterol. After 60, cholesterol lingers in your bloodstream longer, raising the odds of stroke and heart disease. A 2021 circulation study linked high dietary cholesterol in seniors to a 35% higher stroke risk and 24% higher coronary heart disease risk. Farmed shrimp can also contain tiny shell fragments that irritate digestion and residues of antibiotics used in crowded farms. These irritants can weaken your gut lining and disrupt the friendly bacteria that support immunity and nutrient absorption. Quick swap. If you love shrimp's sweet flavor, limit it to 1 small serving per week. Choose wild caught. Peel the shells completely and cook simply with olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs. Those are the 4 seafoods quietly driving up risks for seniors. Now let's look at the seafoods you must eat every day or week if you're over 61s that truly nourish your joints, heart, brain and skin. The 4 best seafood choices. 1. Sea cucumber. Don't let its odd appearance scare you. Sea cucumber is a collagen-rich superfood that soothes inflammation and rebuilds joint cartilage from the inside out. Researchers in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that seniors who ate sea cucumber twice a week reported 35% less joint pain and a noticeable boost in flexibility after just 3 months. Sea cucumber also supplies chondroitin sulfate, the same nutrient found in top-selling joint supplements, but in a fully natural food-based form that your body absorbs more easily. How to eat it. Rinse dried slices under cool water, soak for 30 minutes until they soften, then simmer gently, with broth, ginger and garlic. Enjoy in soups, stews or even cold salads. 2. Green-lipped mussels. Hailing from New Zealand's pristine bays, green-lipped mussels pack a unique omega-3 fatty acid called ETA, which directly blocks the enzyme that triggers joint inflammation. A 2020 nutrients trial gave daily mussel extract to older adults for 12 weeks. Participants saw a 42% drop in stiffness and a 35% boost in walking speed. On top of joint benefits, these mussels are rich in zinc, selenium, and iron, all of which support immune health and energy levels that can wane after 60. How to eat them. Steam fresh mussels with a splash of white wine, garlic, parsley, and lemon. Serve hot, straight from the shell to preserve those inflammation-fighting oils. 3. Oysters. Oysters are nature's multivitamin. Just 2 medium oysters deliver over 100% of your daily zinc, plus copper, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Zinc is crucial for wound healing, immune defense, and maintaining taste and smell senses that often decline with age. A Journal of Nutrition. Study linked low B12 in seniors to a 73% higher risk of cognitive decline. Oysters also offer omega-3s and powerful antioxidants like some selenium sods, helping protect your heart and brain. How to eat them. Enjoy raw on the half shell with a squeeze of lemon or grill oysters with garlic butter and herbs for a warm, savoury treat. 4. Sea moss, Irish moss. This marine plant is a nutrient powerhouse containing over 90 trace minerals. Your body needs iodine for thyroid function, sulfur and vitamin C for collagen production, and a gel-forming fiber that soothes the gut lining. In a 2022 marine drugs trial, seniors who consumed a daily sea moss gel saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 29% reduction in skin dryness within 8 weeks. Sea moss also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting nutrient absorption, immunity, and mental clarity. How to eat it. Rinse raw sea moss well, soak for 12 to 24 hours, then blend into a smooth gel. Stir 1 to 2 tablespoons into smoothies, teas, or soups. No boiling needed to preserve its delicate nutrients. Swap out the hidden danger squid, surimi, scallops, and shrimp for these 4 powerhouses, and you'll protect your joints, your heart, and your mind. Which seafood surprised you the most? Share in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell, so you never miss our senior-friendly health tips. Here's to stronger joints, sharper minds, and happier, healthier years ahead. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Individual results may vary. References. All research studies, data sources, and peer-reviewed papers mentioned in this video are listed in full in the description box below for your review and further reading. Watch the videos on screen and subscribe for more.